Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be talking through a low effort curly hair routine, something that I do when either I'm feeling ill, which is the scenario today, or if I just can't be bothered. I only use one product, one styling product in this routine, but I do wash my hair normally with shampoo and conditioner, and the results have come out so nicely. I take you through the whole routine, so if you want to see it, let's go ahead and get into the video. I wanted to make this video because right now I'm quite ill. I'm a lot better than I was, but I've had the flu. Now I've got a cold directly after. I don't know if it's related, but it's currently, what day is it? It's Saturday the 21st of January. I've been ill since the beginning of January, and that really means I'm just not up for a full curl routine. Like, I can't think of anything worse. However, because obviously the winter months, my scalp is really dry, my scalp is itchy, like my hair isn't that bad. I mean, like, I could probably refresh this, but there is nothing better than standing under a hot shower and just like for congestion, like I want to actually be able to put my full head under the shower, and obviously because my scalp's itchy, I want to sort that out. But today I'm going to be showing you a low effort curly hair routine. Obviously everyone's going to have their own version of what low effort actually is and what that entails. For me, low effort is a normal shampoo and conditioner and then a very minimal styling routine. The reason I am going to style my hair is for protection as opposed to aesthetics, like to make it look nice. Obviously I want it to look okay, but my main concern is going to be making sure I've got like a heat protectant in my hair just so it doesn't get damaged. And I just want my hair to be somewhat protected so that, even if I'm shoving it in a bun or whatever I do with it, that it's not going to be prone to any breakage or going to be overly dry. So I'm going to take you along this process with me. Do you know what? I nearly apologized for my appearance, and then I thought, but this is just what I look like right now. And that is that. So I'm not putting makeup on right now because I'm about to get in the shower. Anyway, I have seen this natural rosemary oil all over TikTok. Like, everyone on my For You page is talking about this, and I thought, okay, let me try it then. The directions are to actually leave it in. It doesn't talk about washing it out. But I don't want to leave it in my hair. I do want to wash it out. I'm just going to use it to give me a little bit of relief of itchiness, and then I'm going to go in and shampoo and condition, and I don't really see anything wrong with doing that. I don't really like to leave oils on my scalp for long periods of time, so that's what I'm going to do. Okay, this is going to come out fast. Okay, I'm just taking like a really small amount. Well, for my whole head it's small. Oh, do that. Oh. God, it's really strong. And it's quite minty, it's really nice, especially with a cold. Okay, actually smells a bit like Vicks, Vicks Vapor Rub. So I'm just gonna massage that in. And yeah, you might be thinking, Sophie, this is not low effort, like just get in the shower. But this is gonna help me out doing this. And it is gonna be lower effort than normal. So this is like gonna be quite quick. Literally a minute. I have this wide tooth comb from Boots, and I just gently, it just kind of feels nice on the scalp, and it's kind of distributing the oil a little bit. So that so far has taken 2 minutes. Just 2 minutes, and I'm gonna get in the shower right now. I've just really quickly tied it up because I don't want to get that rosemary oil too much like around on my face and break out. I'm going to go in with the Mielle Rosemary Mint Strengthening Shampoo. I'm quite low on this now. I've been using it a while. I really like this shampoo. It seems to clean my hair very well without stripping it. When I get out of the shower, typically after using this and then a conditioner afterwards, my scalp feels really clean and my hair doesn't feel like squeaky or dry. And I bought this from Superdrug quite a while ago, and yeah, really enjoying this shampoo. And then after that, I'm going to go in with this Curlsmith multitasking conditioner. This is part of their strength recipe line. The reason that this is perfect for me right now for like a lower effort routine is you can actually use this in several ways. So you can leave it in or you can rinse it out. I'm going to leave it in, and then that's going to condition my hair but then act as that first styling cream product. So when I get out of the shower, I don't have to go and put like a cream or a leave-in conditioner. And yeah, that's going to just make my life a little bit easier. And I will, after shampooing, I'm going to put this on my ends and then I'm going to start detangling. And then I'm going to leave it, and then I'm going to see you right back here for styling. Don't want to rip my hair, it's quite fragile wet, and that is just a good hack. I'm at the shower, I feel so much better. It was so nice to just have hot water coming down on my face. A tip here is, if you really can't be bothered but you just wanted to get your hair washed, leave it. Put a silk or satin scarf or something where your hair's going to glide and not cause friction just around your neck. I'm going to put this on anyway for styling. If you are inside on this day or working from home or something, just let your hair air dry. And then what you can do is, when it's fully dry and you've got some energy later, then you can actually go ahead and like do a full wet refresh, so like re-wet the hair and then style it as you would normally at a later date or even the next day. The only reason I'm not going to do that is because I find that I cause damage to my hair leaving it like that. I like to actually put in a few products in my hair and then dry it so that my scalp's not left wet and dripping, because that will lead to irritation for me personally. I also just want my ends to be somewhat protected. On the scale of routines, this is not like at the extensive end. I'm literally going to use one product. That's it. No brush styling, none of that. I'm going to take my misting bottle and just got water in it. I'm just going to add a little bit more water. This is going to help with frizz. I've already detangled my hair in the shower with that 3-in-1 conditioner in, so we don't have to do that now. And I'm just going in with the Miracle Shield from Curlsmith. It's very lightweight, this. This is actually a heat protectant, so I would normally use this among a lot of other products in my routine. But I think because this is so lightweight and it's also got a little bit of protein in, it just really helps like define my curls without hardly any product on them really. This is going to help protect my hair, as I was saying at the beginning of the video, and it's going to offer me a little bit of definition as well. Obviously I do have like essentially like a curl cream in, because I've got that conditioner from the shower that you're allowed to leave in your hair. So it's not going to be like overly dry, but this is definitely not going to be the best curly hair result I've ever had or anything. But that is the whole point of this video. So shake it up and spray it all over, really getting back the ends. Now I'm just going to take this original Denman brush and I'm going to like gently brush this through. If my hair wasn't detangled already, I wouldn't be using this. I wouldn't call this a detangling brush. I would actually be going in with like a tangle teaser like this. This is going to be a lot more gentle for detangling purposes, but we're not doing that. So I also like how this divides the clumps very easily. Anyway, I'm just going in like this all over. Underneath, I'm just doing, can you see me? Am I even in the frame? Let me put my chair up a bit, that's better. I'm just going underneath. I'm rotating the brush like that so the curls are lifting and going away from my face. So I'm doing the bottom layer. And now, because I don't want my hair to be too flat, I'm just lifting the top layer like this. Now I'm going to shake it a bit. This will just help make sure the clumps aren't getting too stuck together. I'm going to take my microfiber towel and I'm just going to scrunch my hair with no product, just with what's in my hair already. Just going to really gently. I'm going to flip my hair over. and it's really helped the curls spring up a little bit. A habit that I'm trying to form right now is putting my stuff away straight away after I've used it, so I'm not just like piling mess up, because that is something that I used to do quite a lot. So I'm putting these away now. Also, let me know if you'd ever want to see a product organisation video, because I've nailed it. Like, I'm really happy with how I've set up like all my products, like my makeup, my hair, like my tools. I feel like I finally nailed it, and let me know if you want to see that. Okay, I'm gonna diffuse my curls because for me this is lower effort, in that if I let my hair air dry, it's going to be drying for the next 3 business days. Not that long, but like it is going to be drying the whole day, and I just want to not worry about it and like it be done. Also, it is going to dry way quicker than it normally does because I don't have layers of products on. It's probably, I will actually time it for you. How about that? Ready? I'm almost dry, like I'm pretty much done. And what's the timer? 8 minutes. 8 minutes, 22 seconds. Ah, that was so quick. I'm gonna stop it now. Let me just sit down. Oh, okay. I mean, that is great. Love it. That was pretty low effort, don't you think? Compared to normal. If you are sitting here wondering, why don't I just do this every time then? There is a reason. So I sometimes prefer these results when I hardly use any product and just like that Miracle Shield heat defense. However, the reason I normally put a lot of effort into wash days and I layer like a curl cream, a gel, maybe like a mousse, a foam, or then some oil at the end, is because I'm layering my hair with the intention of my curls lasting as long as possible. So that's like an investment in my week, because then like all of the other days of the week I'd literally wake up with my hair looking great like it was on day one, with even more volume sometimes, and that will be down to how I protect it at night as well, but a lot of it has to do with that layering of products. So doing that is not just because, oh, I want to have a really good wash day, it's because I want it to last so that I don't have to keep doing these whole wash day events like every other day. So yes, if you're asking me, sometimes I prefer how my hair looks now to when I fully style it. Like, I really love the volume, but guaranteed tomorrow this isn't going to look like this. But obviously the whole point of this was to get my scalp washed and to have it protected and looking all right, you know? I do often find that my hair looks longer as well when I do this type of routine, because I think when I'm using like multiple products, it's really encouraging the curl definition to the max, and obviously that means that I lose the length doing some of those routines. It's not fully dry, but like I'd go out the house like this, like absolutely fine. I'm gonna see if it like changes at all, if it gets any bigger. I wanna go and have some breakfast. So I'm gonna make some breakfast. I might put a tiny bit of makeup on, and then I'll come back after that. That might be in a few hours, and let's just see how my hair's looking. I'm back now a few hours later, and let's have a look at the hair. So it looks great. I'm not gonna lie, I love it. And as I was saying earlier, you're probably wondering, why don't you just do more low effort routines? Especially if you follow me on Instagram, you know that I do extensive routines. And the answer is, as I mentioned earlier, that it is just not going to last. But it looks great right now. Definition doesn't change, that remains, but my hair just expands a lot. And I think layering the products normally means that I can sort of secure the curl in without extensive frizz. And that is it, guys. I really hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope it's made you realise that, you know, if you want to quickly go and wash your hair, you don't have to do a full extensive styling process. You can just throw a product in and it might come out good. So yeah, and I'm feeling a lot better than I did this morning, although I do sound very croaky. If you enjoyed the video, please go and give it a like and subscribe to my channel, especially if you want to see more curly content from me. See you in my next one.